We are right now conducting outbound program for our newly admitted students. So what exactly is outbound students? Outbound program is basically we take students the moment they are admitted into the institute. Day two is outbound, so they are not put into the classroom. They are brought into a outdoor location where we teach them management fundamentals, the basics of management through games. So it's basically gamification of studies, and they play various fun games. And at the end of these fun games, they are told about, they reflect about their learnings. They talk about what exactly are the management fundamentals that they have learned. And this is one of the greatest exercises we have realized through the years. We have been pioneer in doing this kind of outbound activities. I think we have been doing for since 2015 or something. And what we have realized is that we have the students who come to us with an undergraduate mentality. We have to shift them to a postgraduate mentality. And the best way to do this is break that so-called shackles of being an undergraduate student. And then these students, when they come here, they meet and greet each other. They become friends within the first 2 days that they are here. It's an atmosphere of fun, frolic, and learning, and the whole environment is amazing. If you look at some of the clips, you will find that it's the enjoyment, and it's also what they will learn through the next 2 years, the managerial fundamentals that they will learn through 2 years. So it's a fantastic program. Students, I love this entry to Vivekanand through the outbound program. And we as an institute, we are very happy that we do this for the sake of students, so that they connect with each other, they network with each other, not only for these 2 years but for the rest of their lives also.
Microlab was the first activity of our outbound session, where our dean had asked the whole batch to assemble in the auditorium, where the whole batch had to make new groups, form new groups, converse with new people, and in which we initially made 2, 3, 4 people of groups, where we discussed about various things, which is Indian classical dance forms or various cuisines, in which I learned very new things, which is the dance from Bihu from Assam, or Kashmiri cuisine, and even about international business, which really gained a lot of knowledge. Initially, it was a bit difficult for me to converse with new people. As an introvert, I couldn't begin or had the first talk with new people, and our dean supported us too. From today's Microlab session, I have learned that it is very easy to communicate with people, and people are very simple, and this learning is going to help me in my whole new future.
So the caterpillar race is the process that happens only when we move together. Coordination, trust, and synchronization was an important factor. This taught us that teamwork is not only about working together but growing together.
Negotiation game. In this activity, the students, they learn about the finer details of how to negotiate when they are dealing with business-to-business customers and retail customers.
Through Negotiable Challenge, we learned that leadership is not only about proving ourselves right, but also finding the best solution out of it. We also learned how to listen carefully, communicate effectively, respect each other's decisions, and try to create win-win situations for both the parties.
Paper Tower Challenge taught us success begins with planning. With limited time and resource, we learned that thoughtful strategies, creativities, and effective execution can transform simple ideas into big achievements. We realized that planning is the foundation of successful outcome.